Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, I will be introducing two stocks. One stock is ticker symbol SKT, the other one is ticker symbol SDC. So in this video, I will be talking about their price movement, what I'm predicting, how can we play, what are the support and resistance, and also if you're interested in option, then what is strike price and what expiry date you should be looking at. So let's start with ticker symbol SKT. So first of all, we have been seeing short squeeze for last couple of days. Even today, GME, fees, then PBBY, all of them are popping. So this is another one. So you can look at the short percent of float is 49.7%. And the short float is almost the same, but it's 50%. So again, if there is any short squeeze, it can go up. So there is a potential for another short squeeze for that particular stock. So let's look at the chart pattern. So you can see the last earning. After the earning, that stock ran up. And why? Because the last earning was good. Like you can see the Q3 2020, the stock the earning was good, the surprise was good, so that stock had a good run up. So why I'm looking at here, if you look at a big U-shaped recovery, the black line was the support. So this candle is a 2 days daily candle, and I did not make the video yesterday because I was busy with something else, but you can see that today that stock broke that particular resistance and it ran up and it came down. So already there was a run up, but the good thing is that stock came down, and the after hour, I guess we are down just by 6 cents. But you can see the run up today, a gap up, it went up, it came down. So it's still we can play that particular stock, and you can see how the stock is maintaining this particular 13.66, that line. It was previous resistance, now it becomes support. So currently the stock is sitting on the support. So instead of daily chart, let's move to 5-minute chart and let's see what happened today. So again, we had a run up, we came down, we bounced back from that support, which is 13.62. we tried to went up, came down, so we are within this particular channel. So what you can do, you can watch tomorrow, you can see if the stock comes down. If it does not comes down, you can have a position here, or you can wait until it breaks 13.9. The next earning supposed to be today as per Yahoo, but when I look at TradingView, it says February 12. So there could be a run up until February 12 or mid-February. So even though if you are holding the stock, I think you will see a run up. So this is one point, 13.62, then 13.9, and I think the other one would be the top, which was today, 15.9. So you can see that the stock still has a potential run, like it can run from 13.6 to like $16, a huge gap up. And today when I started my position, I bought a option and I had a quick profit, and I went there, then I sold, it came down, then I started my position again, and still you have the opportunity for making your own position on this particular stock, because it can go again to 15.9. So whether you are interested in playing with stocks or with option, it's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, but do your own research before you buy or sell any kind of stock. Looking at option, there are many different option expiry date. You can go with February or March. I took the March one. I wanted to give it like almost 2 months, and I took a strike price, I guess 13 or 14. You see, it's not very expensive, like $238 or 1.6. Let's say you take $13 strike, so your break even is 15.38. and looking at the chart, you can see this is below $16. So most probably in 2 months the stock will be around like 15.38. so it's up to you which one you will pick, 238, or you can go with $14. Even with $14, the break even is 15.6. This is cheaper than the $13. The delta 63 and 54. Again, it's all up to you how you want to play, or if you want, you can play with the February one, then it will be even cheaper, like $155 or $111. So I have a position, and I will see how it goes for next coming days. Okay, so the next stock is SDC, and from the chart you can see that since March 2020 the stock is behaving like ideal ideal person, like it's within the channel is going, is a bullish, is going up, but again it's maintaining and within that black lines you can see. So what happened? So again, this is today the big candle, it was yesterday, so it bounced off. So when I saw this morning, I started my position here, which was like 11.15, rode all the way, then I sold my position. And the good thing is at aftermarket the stock is down by 32 cents. So even though there was a 20% run up today, but the stock might give you an opportunity to enter into that particular place so that you can ride. So I'm out, but I might start another position tomorrow morning. So let's look at the chart here. So just looking at the line, it can go up to, like, if black is the like upper boundary, it can go up to 15 bucks, or I already have drawn some resistance and support, so which are around like $13, 14.22 and 15.12. so still there is a room to grow, like another $1 or $2. And if you want to play with option, then yeah, just get in and get out in one day. You can get a quick profit of 50 to 100%. Let's look at 5-minute chart for today. Not a bad chart. In the morning we started a run up, we came down, and again a run up, again we came. So we came up to like 13.8, then we started coming down. With aftermarket we are here. Maybe tomorrow morning, if you want, you can start a position around this support area, or you can wait if you see a dip, then if it comes like around like $10-11. If you look at daily MACD and RSI, you see the MACD, the blue line, this is crossing that orange line. The RSI is going up, which is 63, so the stock might run a little bit more. Still, I shouldn't say like it's over, or you can see it will come back, bounce off here and goes back. So keep an eye. If you want to play with option, there are February or March. I'm playing with February expiry date, and you can look at the options. The premiums are very cheap. It's like for $13 strike, the premium is 163, so your break even is 14.6. and if you look at the chart, you can go up to 14.2 or $15, or you just buy the option, ride the wave, and you get out. You don't wait till the expiry date. So I bought one option this morning and I rode the wave, then I get out, and I'm waiting for another dip tomorrow morning, then I will get in again. I think I bought the option with like $100. I gained $100, so it was 100% gain. I then got out of the stock. So again, keep an eye. Yeah, again, up to you, like you can play with option, or you can play with stock. Anyway, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have my Facebook and Twitter page in the description. You can join the community during trading hour. I send live update sometime. Still, I do not have a Discord channel, but maybe I can create a Discord channel where we can talk and give you live update. So anyway, watch my other videos and take care, my friends. Peace.